Hey, welcome back to Kelly Mountain Woodworks. In this video I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step process I use to make these coasters out of a mixture of domestic and exotic hardwoods. We're going to start off over at the table saw where I set my saw blade on a 22.5 degree angle, cutting these strips out on an angle and then gluing them together, and then cross-cutting them will give us a very unique design. Now that the glue is dry, we're going to take it over to the planer and make sure everything is nice and flat before we take it over to the table saw and cross cut it. In the interest of saving time, I opted to do the planing off camera. We've turned all the pieces up on their edge, and then we're going to alternate every other piece, which will give us the very unique design that we were looking for. Once all the glue is dry, we will take it back over to the planer and get it nice and flat before we move over to the table saw. We're going to set the table saw fence at 3.5 inches and basically cut the billet in half, and then we'll take it over to the miter saw and we'll cut 3.5 inch sections to make sure that they're perfectly square. Now we're going to round over all of the edges, but we're only going to do this on one side. We're going to leave the bottoms squared off. After they are all sanded, we're going to finish them with just a spray-on polyurethane. For the base, we're just going to glue together these small pieces of oak, purple heart, and walnut. While we wait for that to dry, we're going to go ahead and put the cork backing on the coasters. Now we're going to take the base over to the planer and get it nice and flat before we take it over to the CNC machine. Now we are going to round over the edges and get it all sanded up, and then we're going to finish it the same way we finished the coasters, with just some spray-on polyurethane. Thanks for watching this video. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notifications just to make sure that you don't miss anything.